Hello everyone, I am Chirag Ghosh. My roll number is 20CS10020 and I am a student of section 1. So for this DIY project, I will be using the Proteus software. Let me open it. So for the first activity, we have to use the Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor. So I will go to open sample, then I will use VSM for AVR, after which I will select Arduino and I will go to the 22nd category, that is the DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor. I'll open it. So as you can see, the Proteus software has already made a design of its own. Now my work is to show using the LED the different categories of temperature and humidity according to the instructions given. So I'll first add a line here, which actually I had to add this line because otherwise I was getting a compilation error. Now I have added that I have included the Adafruit sensor header file, after which I will add another line here in which I will activate that pin number 13, to which the LED has already been added, and set it as my output pin. Now I will go to the loop function. Here I will add my own lines so as to categorize the different temperatures and humidity, and accordingly blink LEDs. So as you can see, I have finished editing my code, so we can now build the project. As visible, the compilation has been successful. We will now run the simulation. As you can see, the virtual terminal shows the humidity and temperature values as detected by the sensor. However, we cannot see any LED blinking because the temperatures are outside the range for which the LED should blink. So I will change the values and let's see then what happens. Let me change the temperature to 14 degrees Celsius. So according to the data which has been provided, the LED should glow for 0.5 seconds. So let's see it. I'll run the simulation again. As you can see, this time the LED is blinking. Similarly, if I change the humidity to less than 25, now the LED should blink for 1 second. As you can see, it is working fine. So this activity has been successful. We will now move to the next activity. For that I will be using VSM for AVR and then Arduino. Now I will use the fourth option, which is Arduino RGB common cathode LED. So my task is to show to visualize a continuous wave at the digital pin 13 using this oscilloscope. So let me first connect this oscilloscope with that pin. Okay, now we have completed the connection. First we need to enter the configuration for the pin number 13 to be our output pin. And now I will go to the loop and I will remove everything which is already present, and then I will add my own lines. So I have now finished editing the code. I will build the project again. As you can see, the compilation is successful. So now let us start the simulation. To see the oscilloscope, we will go here. We have a channel D. connected to pin number 13. We will use DC because we are using DC current. And then we will use 200 millisecond scale, and as you can see the wave is observed in the oscilloscope. Actually the pattern which we have made that time it repeats after 8.25 seconds. So this activity is also a success. Thank you.